The ultimate Ashford Watches Reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're eyeing a luxury watch at a steep discount, most people get this wrong by diving in without comparing options. The surprising truth about Ashford is that it offers genuine branded watches often at 30–50% off retail, but only if you know how to shop carefully. First, start by browsing their sale and clearance sections. You won't believe how much the list prices can drop, especially for slightly older models or pre-owned pieces. But here is what many miss. Always check model numbers, watch condition new versus certified pre-owned, and whether the watch includes original warranty or just store guarantee. Next, compare with manufacturer's specs. Most people get this wrong by ignoring case size, movement type or materials. On Ashford you can find both automatic and quartz movements. If you value long-term reliability, prioritize stainless steel cases, sapphire crystals and reputable movements over just price. Shipping and authentication matter too. The surprising truth is that Ashford ships internationally with insured carriers and provides documentation proving authenticity, but only if you opt for the correct shipping option. Standard shipping may arrive without full paperwork. Paying a little extra for insured track delivery often ensures better service and secure delivery. Also, pay attention to return policy. You won't believe how many buyers skip this step. Ashford offers returns, but some items may be final sale or subject to restocking fees. If you're uncertain about style or size, order with the option to return just in case. In conclusion, Ashford can take you from zero to pro in acquiring luxury timepieces at lower costs, but smart buying is key. By verifying model details, checking watch specifications, choosing insured shipping, and understanding return terms, you can land a real deal without regrets. With care and patience, you get the watch, not just the hype.